press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Today I will start also the lesson mensuration. I will take the another plane figure, trapezium. I can take the trapezium. Trapezium. What is the area of the trapezium? ABCD is a trapezium. Here AB and CD are the two parallel sides. AB and CD are the two parallel sides. Area of a trapezium is equal to, area of a trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. Here H is the altitude of the trapezium. H is the altitude of the trapezium. Here A is the, A and B are the sides, parallel sides. Here that will be equal to half into H into sum of two parallel sides. Here A is the one parallel sides, B is the another parallel sides. This is the area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into H into sum of the two parallel sides. In a trapezium, two parallel sides are there, another two are non-parallel sides. Next we have to take the area of a general quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral. Next I can take quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral. I can take the quadrilateral, any one quadrilateral. Here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. What is the area of the general quadrilateral? We know some area of the some quadrilaterals: square, parallelogram, and rectangle. In the general quadrilateral, you have to take the diagonal. Diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. Here ABD, one triangle, and BCD, another triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. I can take the AE perpendicular to BD. Next FC perpendicular to BD. I can take the both perpendicular lines. Area of general quadrilateral is equal to, here this one is H1, this one is H2. So here this quadrilateral divide into two triangle. Area of a triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD is equal to, what is the area of triangle? Half into base. Here BD is base. Half into BD into AE. BD into AE, that will be equal to half into BD into, I can take AE is the H1 altitude. Next I can take the another triangle. Area of a triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD is equal to half into, here BD is base, BD into CF is the perpendicular line, CF, that will be equal to half into BD into CF. We have to take H2. Adding these two areas, we get the area of the general quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral, area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD, area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, area of triangle BCD. Add these two areas, that will be equal to half into BD into H1, BD into H1 plus here half into BD into H2, half into BD into H2. Here of BD is common. We have to take 1 by 2 BD as common. 1 by 2 BD as common. Remaining H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. What is the area of the general quadrilateral? Area of the general quadrilateral. Here BD is the diagonal. Here BD is the diagonal. So I can take half into D into H1 plus H2. Half into D into H1 plus H2. Here D is the diagonal. H1 is the one of the height. H2 is the another height. General quadrilateral, area of the general quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Next I can take the area of the rhombus. In a rhombus all sides are equal. In a rhombus all sides are equal. Area of a rhombus is equal to, I can take the rhombus A, B, C, D is a rhombus. BD and AC are the diagonal. In a rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, perpendicular bisector. So we have to take area of a rhombus is equal to area of a rhombus is equal to, here rhombus will be divided into two triangle ABD and BCD. Here this is the OD is perpendicular to BD, OC is perpendicular to BD. These two are the perpendicular bisector. So we have to take the area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. This triangle and also this triangle, that will be equal to, what is the area of triangle ABD? Area of triangle ABD is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Here what is base? Here BD is base, then AO is height. Half into base into height, that will be equal to half into BD into AO plus, here area of triangle BCD is equal to, here BD as base, CO as perpendicular height, that will be equal to half into BD into CO. Here of BD as common, we have to take off BD, then what is the remaining? Here AO remains in first term, then CO remains next term. AO plus CO is equal to AC, that will be equal to half into BD into AC. Then what about BD and what about AC? Here BD is the diagonal and AC is also a diagonal. I have to take BD as D1, AC as D2. So that will be equal to half into D1 into D2. Half into D1 into D2. Area of rhombus ABCD is equal to half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. From all these, formulas, we can solve some problems on the basis of the formula trapezium, area of a trapezium, area of a rhombus and area of a general quadrilateral. Now, what is the area of the rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to half into h into a plus b. We have to take the problems. The area of a trapezium shaped field is the area of a trapezium field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 20 meter. Parallel sides is 15 meter and 15 meter and between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel sides. Here the question is, the area of a trapezium field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel sides. I can take the figures. This is a trapezium. Here A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Here whole area is given. Area of the trapezium is given and distance between two parallel sides. That means altitude is given, that will be equal to 15 meter. And one parallel side is given. Find the other one. First given, I will take the given height is equal to height of the trapezium field is equal to 15 meter and one parallel side A is equal to 20 meter and another parallel side is equal to B is equal to question mark. Area of a trapezium is given. Area of a trapezium is equal to 480 meter square. Hagadre, what is the area of the trapezium? Area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into sum of the two parallel sides, that will be equal to area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. Substitute the values here. Trapezium, area of a trapezium is equal to 480 is equal to half into h is given. H is equal to distance between two parallel sides, h is equal to 15 meters. Then one side is given. One side, that will be equal to 20 meter. 20 plus b, we have to find the another parallel side. Here 480 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into 20 plus b. Simplify that one. That will be equal to Here by cross multiplication 480 into 2 divided by 15 here. By cross multiplication 480 into 2 divided by 15 is equal to 20 plus b. 20 plus b. Here 15 ones are 15, 15 3s are 45, 3 remains, 15 2s are 30, that will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 64 is equal to 20 plus b. 64 is equal to 20 plus b. Then 64, you have to take this one as left hand side, minus 20 is equal to b. Therefore, b is equal to 64 minus 24, 6 minus 4, 44 meter. What is b? Length of the another side of the trapezium. Therefore, length of the another side of a trapezium is equal to 44 meter. Here area is given, one side is given, and distance between two parallel sides, the distance is given. We have to find out the another side. Next, we have to take the another example on the basis of the next one, example second one. Find the area of a quadrilateral. Next question, find the area of a given quadrilateral. Area of a given quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral is given. P, Q, R, S. Here H1 is equal to 2.5. This one is 1.5 centimeter. Then QR is equal to QS is equal to PQRS is a quadrilateral 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Find the area of the given quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral is given. PQRS is a quadrilateral. Here diagonal QS is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Altitude is one altitude is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Another one is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Given, I will take the first solution alli first given part anna tagolana. Here diagonal D is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Diagonal D is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Height H1 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then another height H2 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. What about the area of the quadrilateral? General quadrilateral. Area of a general quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Half into D into H1 plus H2. So, area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into H into half into D into H1 plus H2. H1 plus H2. Half into D into H1 plus H2. Substitute the values of What is the value of D? Diagonal D is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Then H1 is equal to what? 2.5 centimeter. Then H2 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. That will be equal to half into 5.5. First bracketical simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry 0, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4.0. Here half into 5.5 into 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, that will be equal to here 2 into 5.5. 2 5s are 10, 1 carry 0, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. That will be equal to here area, the values are in centimeter, so area is square centimeter. Area of the general quadrilateral, given quadrilateral PQRS is equal to 11 centimeter square. Area of the given quadrilateral PQRS. ಈಗ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹೈಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 2 ಹೈಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ altitudes H1 plus H2. We get the area. Next I can take the another example. Here we know about the area of a trapezium and area of the general quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. Next, rhombus. I can take the example for rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus whose diagonals are whose diagonals are of length 10 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter and 8.2 centimeter. Already we know about the area of the rhombus. Here lengths of the diagonals are given. Solution: diagonal D1 is equal to length of diagonal, length of a diagonal D1 is equal to 10 centimeter and length of diagonal D2 is equal to 8.2 centimeter. What we can find out? Find the area of a rhombus. What is the area of the rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. Next I can take the formula. Area of a rhombus. Rhombus is equal to half into diagonal D1 into D2. Half into D1 into D2. That will be equal to half into, what is D1 here? 10. D2 is equal to 8.2. Then simplify. 2 1s are 2 5s are. That will be equal to 5 2s are 10. Find the product. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1 41. 41. Here the units in centimeter, the area will be square centimeter or centimeter square. In this way we have to calculate the area of the trapezium, area of a rhombus and area of a quadrilateral. On the basis of these areas we have to solve the some problems on exercise 11.2. Next I can take the exercise 11.2. Exercise 11.2. First question. The shape of the top surface or area of a table, the shape of the top surface area of a table is a trapezium. Find its area. If its parallel sides are, find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter, and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Here the shape of the table is in the form of a trapezium. Top surface area of the table is in the form of a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. Here this one is, and ABCD is a trapezium. AD is equal to 1 meter, BC is equal to 1.2 meter, and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Here two parallel sides are given and altitude is given. We have to find out the area of the surface. Solution. First given part anna tagolona. Given here, given parallel sides, length of the parallel sides, side A is equal to 1 meter, then length of another parallel side, another parallel side B is equal to 1.2 meter, and height is given. Distance between them is here two parallel sides. Then height is equal to 0.8 meter. So we have to take the formula. What is formula? Area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into sum of the two parallel sides. So half into h into sum of the parallel sides A plus B, that will be equal to half into h. Here what is h? 0.8. Here A is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 1.2 meter. That will be equal to 1 by 2 into 0.8 into 1 plus 1.2 is equal to 2.2. 1 plus 1.2 is equal to 2.2. Then we have to simplify. 1s are 0.4 the 2 4 the 8, that will be equal to 2.2 into 0.4. Simplify that one. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Here ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಡಬೇಕು. 0.88 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್. ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 0.88 ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಎ top surface area of the table. Therefore, top surface area of the table is equal to 0.88 meter square. This is the exercise problem, first problem. Next we have to take the second one. What is the second problem? The area of a trapezium is, second one, the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides, length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Find the length of the other parallel side. Here area of a trapezium is given. The area of a trapezium is equal to 34 centimeter square and length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the another parallel sides. We know about the formula. Solution. We have to take the first given part. Here area is given and one parallel side is given, then height is given. So length of the one parallel side is equal to 10 centimeter. Then height is equal to 4 centimeter. Then area is given. Area of a trapezium is also given. We have to take area of a trapezium is equal to, what is the area of a trapezium? Half into h into sum of the two parallel sides. Half into h into sum of the two parallel sides. We have to take that parallel sides are a and b, so I can write it as a plus b. Half into h. Here height is equal to what? 4 centimeter. Half into 4 into. Here one parallel side is given 10. 10 plus b as it is. Area of a trapezium also is given 34 centimeter square. Next simplify that one. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 34 divided by 2 by cross multiplication. Here 2 2 get cancelled. This term ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 34 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. 34 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. 2 1s are 2, 1 ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 14, 2 7s are 14. 17 is equal to 10 plus b. 17, 10 term ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ minus 10, that will be equal to b. Therefore b is equal to 17 minus 10 is equal to 7 centimeter. What is b here? Length of the other parallel sides. Therefore length of the other parallel side b is equal to 7 centimeter. In this way we have to calculate the parallel side. Here area ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, one parallel side ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, height ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 3 terms ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? We have to find out the length of the another parallel side of a trapezium. So next I can take the third problem. Next third one, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is. Next third question, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter, and AD is equal to 40 meter. Find the area of this field. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides. Perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. AD and BC. Here length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD. Here perimeter is given. Some sides are also given. Find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So we have to take the figure. This is A. Here figure is given. A, B, C, D. This is the trapezium shaped field. ABCD is a trapezium shaped field. The fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is given. That means perimeter is given. Perimeter. The sum of the all the sides is equal to 120 meter. Here BC is equal to 48 meter. BC is equal to 48 meter. CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. AD is equal to 40 meter. Find this area of the field. Then AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. Here ಏನಾಗಿದೆ AB perpendicular line ಆಗಿದೆ, that is the altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ perimeter ಇಂದ we have to find out the length of the AB. Here solution, perimeter of a trapezium ABCD is equal to 120 meter. 120 meter. Here three sides are given. BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. 40 meter. We have to find out AB. AB is equal to question mark. Or what about AB? AB is equal to perimeter minus sum of the three sides. Perimeter minus sum of the three sides. That will be, therefore, length of side AB is equal to, length of side AB is equal to 120 minus of 48 plus 17 plus 40. That will be equal to 120 minus, add these three terms, 8, 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, 105, 120 minus 105, 120 minus 105, here 0, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 120 minus 105, 5, 1 remains, 15 meter. Therefore, length AB is equal to 15 meter. Here AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC. This is the altitude. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು altitude ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We already know about the area of the trapezium. Here the field is in the shape of the trapezium. So we have to take the area of a trapezium formula. So I can take area of a trapezium is equal to half into h into sum of two parallel sides BC plus AD. That will be equal to half into, here what is the h? AB is h, 15, A is equal to 48, B is equal to 40. That will be equal to 1 by 2 into 15 into 48 plus 40, that will be equal to 88. Cancel it, 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are. 15 into 44, that will be equal to 15 4s are 60, 6 carry 0, 15 4s are 60 plus 6, 66. Here unit is meter ಇದೆ, so ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್. 600 area of the, therefore area of a trapezium shaped field is equal to 660 meter square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ we have to find out the another side of the trapezium. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಆಲ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ in between the two parallel sides, perpendicular line between the two parallel sides. Next example, next one, exercise problem 4th one. Next one, 4th one. The diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is diagonal. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and perpendicular dropped on it and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Find the area of the field. Area of the field. Here the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. So I can take the one figure. It is a quadrilateral. Diagonal of the quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter. Then perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices. This one is equal to 8 meter. Then another one is 13 meter. ABCD is a quadrilateral. AC is diagonal. DE is one perpendicular line. DF is another one perpendicular line. Agar what is the area of the quadrilateral? Here diagonal is given. Two altitudes are given. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Area of the quadrilateral is equal to diagonal into sum of the altitudes h1 plus h2. So here I will take the given part. Diagonal D is equal to 24 meter, diagonal of the field. Here perpendicular lines. H1 is equal to 8 meter. Then H2 is equal to 13 meter. Next, area. What is the area of a quadrilateral? Area of a quadrilateral is equal to half into D into H1 plus H2. Half into D into H1 plus H2. So next values ana substitute madana. Half into here what is the diagonal D is equal to 24. Half into 24. Here H1 is equal to 8 meter plus H2 is equal to 13 meter. 2 1s are 2, 12s are 12 into 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. That will be equal to 12 1s are 12, 1 carry 2, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 252 meter square. Here units are in meter, so that area will be in meter square. In this way you have to calculate the area of the quadrilateral shaped field. Here one diagonal is given, heights are given. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Area of the quadrilateral is equal to half into diagonal into sum of the altitudes h1 plus h2. We have to take diagonal is equal to 24, h1 is equal to 8 meter and h2 is equal to 13 meter. We simplify that one, we get the 252 meter square. area of the field is equal to quadrilateral shaped field is equal to 252 meter square. Next I can take the next problem. Next one, fifth one. The diagonals of a rhombus are the diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its area. Here diagonals of a rhombus are given, D1 and D2 are given. Find the area of the rhombus. What is the area of the rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. Solution. Here diagonals are given. Diagonal is one diagonal is equal to 7.5 centimeter, another one is equal to 12 centimeter. Diagonal D1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter, another diagonal D2 is equal to 12 centimeter. What about the area of the rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2, half into D1 into D2. That will be equal to half into here. What is D1 here? 7.5. Then D2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Here 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12. 7.5 into 6. 7.5 into 6, that will be equal to 6 5s are 30, 3 carry 0, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 3, 45. Here one digit is there, I can put the decimal digit. 45 units is in centimeter, the area will be centimeter square, 45 centimeter square. In this way you have to calculate the areas of quadrilaterals, rhombus and a trapezium. Thank you one and all.